Hello Oakstead. This video is going to demonstrate how you can utilize Filemaker Pro to access databases that are housed both here at Oakstead and throughout the district. So let's go ahead and open up Filemaker Pro. Okay, if you're prompted to make an update, we're not going to need to do that update. So you can check where it says do not automatically check for updates. And we're going to click no. Then it's going to bring you to this FileMaker Quick Start menu. Now, if you don't see this menu, that's fine. I personally don't use it, so I'm going to uncheck it and click Close. If you like it, you can keep it on there. Totally up to you. All right, we're going to go up to the File menu and click Open Remote. And next to where it says View, it says Local Hosts. We want to change that to Favorite Hosts. And we're going to add 3 separate hosts that house databases throughout the district. So we're going to click the Add button. The first one we're going to add is the one here at Oakstead. The address is 10.70.21.1. And under Favorite Host Name, I'm simply going to type in Oakstead. Now the name is optional, so you don't have to type in Oakstead. You could type in OES. It's just there so you can differentiate between the different servers. I'm going to click Save. When the server is highlighted, it's going to show you all of the databases that are hosted on that server. Okay, the next one we're going to add is PlanMaker. Now PlanMaker is used by ESE, so if you don't need access to PlanMaker, you don't have to add this one. Okay, the address is eplanmaker.pasco.k12.fl.us. And under host name, I'm going to type in PlanMaker. And I'll click Save, and there's PlanMaker. Now the next one I'm going to add is another database that's hosted by District Office, and this database is going to allow you to look up student username and passwords, as well as whether or not they have access, or rather permission, to access Google Apps. Okay, the address for this one is dimc.pasco.k12.fl.us. And for the name, I'm just going to put district. Again, the name doesn't matter. I'll click Save. Now with that one highlighted, notice all of the databases that are hosted on this server. We don't need access to all these. We're only going to need access to one of them. So let's go back and edit that. So with that server highlighted, I'm going to click Edit. Under File Settings, we're going to choose Show Only These Files. And the one that we want is named LDAP Sync Bridge. So I'm going to delete all the ones before it and all of the ones after it. And then click Save. Now, when I have that server highlighted, there's only that one. So it's less daunting. Okay, let's go into that one. So I'm going to click Open. Put in the username and the password. I'm going to go ahead and email the username and password out to you. I don't want to put that on this podcast. This gives usernames and passwords for all the students here at Oakstead. It also indicates whether or not they have Google permission with an X in that box. So, let's say you want to just find your class. Go up to View and select Find Mode. You could also simply just click Command F and it'll bring you to the Find mode. And type in your name under Teacher. And then press Return. and it will show all the students in your class. From here, you could go ahead and click View Cards, and you could print off sheets with nice little cards, which you could cut, put on index cards, or put on the back of their IDs. You could also export them into a spreadsheet. You can also go into that find mode and you can search by student last name. You could search by student number. That database you'll probably be going into quite a bit. Typically the turnaround time to get username and passwords for newly enrolled students, give it a day or two. They have to be input into terms, and then terms will go ahead and put that information into this database. So if a student enrolls on a Monday, it should be in there by Wednesday. So that's Filemaker Pro here at Oakstead. Hope that helped. Have a great day.